Here's how I create my musical picture books. First, I start my books by creating the song. In the case of my original book, The Cows Go Moo, the song started as a skit for summer camp back in the 80s. I took that tune and I added more lyrics and developed it into a full-blown song ready to record in the music studio. I then assembled some musician friends to play on the song. I played the drums, sang the lead vocal, and played the cowbell, of course. When the song was completed, I got to work on creating the actual picture book. I hadn't done much artwork to speak of since high school, so I actually had to learn how to draw cartoon cows. I did a few phases of rough sketches. These started out very primitive and got better with each phase. This took a very long time to get it just as I wanted it. I then went into creating the final artwork on big sheets of special paper, and I used Copic markers that allowed me to blend the colors. When the artwork was completed, all the pages were scanned on big scanners and put into a computer program. From there, the book files were sent off to the printer. Some samples were approved, and we ordered a whole bunch of books. What a great day when I received the final version. In 2018, I became a self-published author, illustrator, and songwriter. It took me 4 years to complete my first book and song, The Cows Go Moo. And within that time, I also created companion activity and coloring books for each book. I'm hoping to finish my third book and song, The Cows Go Metal, in 2 years. So until then, hopefully you can support me in my works by grabbing a copy or two of one of my books from the Cows Go Moo series for those you love. Please visit thecowsgomoo.com or my TikTok shop to get yours. Moo ya!